Using a stud finder to locate framing studs before attaching baseboard dramatically increases long-term stability and prevents loose or popping trim. Start by scanning the wall vertically with a stud finder set to the correct material mode and sweeping slowly to find the center of each stud. Mark each center lightly with a pencil at several heights so you have a straight reference line. Measure from a known corner or outlet to verify stud spacing because walls can vary from standard 16 inches on center and inconsistent measurements cause missed fasteners. When installing the baseboard, predrill or use an air nailer to drive finish nails or narrow crown staples directly into the stud marks at a slight upward angle to pull the board tight to the wall. If using hand tools, shoot 2 nails per stud, one near the top edge and one at the middle for thicker boards. For extra holding power on painted or brittle drywall, apply a thin line of construction adhesive to the back of the baseboard before nailing to create continuous contact and reduce squeaks. After fastening, check for gaps at the top and use a pull bar or block of wood and a mallet to snug the board where it did not sit flush, then countersink nail heads slightly to make puttying cleaner. Finally, test by applying hand pressure along the board to feel for any movement and touch up nails and caulk where needed for a uniform finish. The most common mistake is relying on drywall alone, which allows nails to pull free over time. Fix this by always locating studs and fastening into them rather than into gypsum board. Another frequent issue is misreading the stud finder or not marking multiple points, which leads to missed studs. Correct this by scanning twice, marking at 2 or 3 vertical positions, and measuring from a reliable reference like an outlet box. A third problem is overdriving nails or using the wrong length fasteners, which can split trim or fail to reach the stud. Choose nails or staples long enough to penetrate the stud by at least 1 inch and use a nail set or controlled pneumatic tool to seat fasteners without crushing the trim. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like baseboard installation, helping us find local pros and show our work. We host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn techniques together.